Replacing a marine wet exhaust elbow, step by step. Begin by closing the seawater valve and draining any residual water from the system. Loosen the bolt securing the seawater pipe to the exhaust elbow using a hex key. Cut the copper seawater pipe cleanly through the center with a metal cutting disc. Remove the rubber hose between the exhaust elbow and the silencer. It may be bonded tightly. Work patiently, ideally while the elbow is still warm. Now remove the flange bolt securing the exhaust elbow. Space is tight and the original elbow has some weight to it, so take your time. Use a hex key and alternate between the two bolts to release tension evenly. Patience here prevents damage and makes the removal smoother. Carefully remove the old flange gasket. You may notice rust flakes falling away like coffee powder. That's normal. Inspect the gasket. If it's intact, it might still be usable. But for best results, we recommend replacing it. Now take sandpaper and clean the flange surface thoroughly. Smooth out any rough spots and remove visible rust to ensure a tight, even seal when the new elbow is installed. Now let's take a closer look at the new wet exhaust elbow. It's made from marine-grade 316L stainless steel, highly resistant to corrosion and built to withstand harsh seawater environments. The unit measures 34 centimeters in length and weighs 1.6 kilograms, offering a compact yet robust solution. It features direct water injection to cool exhaust gases instantly, protecting downstream hoses and mufflers from heat damage. For purchase details and specifications, simply scan the QR code shown here. Before mounting the new elbow, apply a generous layer of high-temperature, salt-resistant silicone grease to the flange contact surface. This grease fills in microscopic gaps between the flange and gasket, helping to prevent both gas and seawater leaks under pressure. Take care to spread it evenly across the entire mating face. A smooth seal here is critical for long-term reliability. Now position the new exhaust elbow and insert the flange bolts. Tighten them gradually in an alternating pattern. This ensures even pressure across the gasket and prevents warping. Don't rush this step. A balanced seal here is key to avoiding future leaks or misalignment. Next, slide the rubber hose back onto the exhaust outlet. Make sure it seats fully over the pipe. Then secure it with a stainless steel clamp, tightening evenly to prevent leaks and ensure a firm grip under vibration. Connect the silicone seawater hose between the copper pipe and the injection nozzle. Tighten the clamp and allow 24 hours for the sealant to cure. After 24 hours of curing, it's time for the first test run. Open the seawater valve fully, then start the engine. Watch closely for any signs of leakage around the exhaust elbow, both water and exhaust gases. Feel the surface temperature with care. It should remain within safe limits. Move to the stern and confirm that seawater is being discharged properly through the exhaust outlet. If the engine shuts down unexpectedly, reduce the seawater intake slightly using the seacock. Let the engine run for a few minutes. Once everything is stable, shut it down and retighten the flange bolts to lock in the seal. Job done. Maintain the elbow as per the manual, clean regularly and inspect welds for signs of fatigue or leakage.